Alright, so today, like I promised, we are doing a video on how to make the mud strap. It's pretty freaking simple. I'm using a piece of 5/8 hose from something, I don't know, we had it laying around. Some old winch cable and two cable clamps. And that's really it. And then it's just gonna go right here. I had this on, I'm actually gonna cut this down a little bit because I didn't like how high it was. And then we will go from there. So, first things first, we need a knife. I don't know where my Milwaukee one went, so this will do. So, you're gonna cut your hose to your desired length. Just like that. Alright. And then, this, what you can do is cut it like this, and then put it on your handlebars, so once the cable is on it, it's not scratching up your handlebars and the cable has something to grip to. It will leave a nice gap right there, but that's alright. Nothing's gonna be touching there anyways. Then you want to take your hose and send it in through here. Make sure you don't stab yourself with the cable also, because that kind of hurts. What I like to do, this cable is really long for what I'm doing, but that's fine, whatever. It's a pain to cut, so. I put some heat shrink on the end. As you can see, the cable's still sticking out, but yeah, try not to stab yourself. The heat shrink kind of gets rid of all the fuzz, I guess you can call it. That's at the end. So then, now you take this, and then send it around back. Like so. And then shove this up into the hose like that. There we go. Move your rubber piece down. Throw the cable on that. And then grab one of your clamps. Now, send that through there. Get both of these started. These may have to be adjusted afterward, but that's okay. And you take this, send it back through there. Make sure you don't pinch any wires or cables like the throttle cable. Go on the inside like this. And send that bad boy up into there. Just like that. Grab your other clamp. Come on. Oh, I mixed them up. Alright. Make sure you don't mix up which pieces go to which clamp, unless they're the same. These we just had laying around. So, there we go. Oh yeah, that is getting fixed very soon. Once this is back together, the steering shaft is coming out. I got new bearings and a new grommet for up here, so she's gonna be mint after this. Well, that's the idea anyway. Cause she's a little clapped, if I do say so myself. Doesn't look it, but she is. You might want to do some adjusting on this to make it work for you, but for now this should do. I'll probably tighten it up a little bit more. But now you guys kind of get the idea on how to do this. So from there you can just kind of do whatever you want. Oh yeah, and lean, pretty solid, if I do say so. So there you go. That's a how-to on how to make the mud strap, or the oh shit strap, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, thanks for watching.